Hello everyone, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to get Microsoft Rewards points. Open your browser and search for this website. Click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Microsoft Rewards redemption page, where you can see various ways to earn and redeem. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link to enter the Chrome Web Store. Once you are there, use the search bar to look for Automate Your Bing Searches. After finding it, click on the first extension that appears in the search results. Then click on Add to Chrome. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click on Add Extension to install the extension to your browser. Once the installation is complete, you will see the extension icon in your browser's toolbar. Now go back to the Microsoft Rewards page and click on Points Breakdown to check your current points and activities. Then navigate to Microsoft Bing homepage and click on the profile located at the top right corner of the page. Next, click on Extensions that we installed. A pop-up will appear where you need to click on I accept the risk. Here, you can set the parameters for automated searches. Enter the minimum search interval as 0.5 seconds and the maximum as 1.5 seconds. This helps mimic natural searching behavior. Then specify the number of mobile searches you want the extension to perform. Also, turn on the toggle option for Close tab once completed. After setting up, click on Start Search to begin the automated searching process. You will see the extension performing searches on Bing. Once the searches are done, click on Stop the Search. Now click on Start Activities to complete other tasks and quizzes available on Microsoft Rewards. Finally, go back and check the Microsoft Rewards page to see the points you have earned. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.